Welcome to the TokenClan channel. My name is Charlie. In the last episode of Crypto Assets for Passive Income series, I have introduced an important ratio indicator called TVEV Ratio or Token Value to Exchange Volume, which measures the current token price value to the 24-hour exchange volume. This ratio is great in determining the current market sentiment of the cryptocurrency exchange with respect to its transactional volume, a good indicator of its potential profitability. There are different ways of using the TVEV ratio in analyzing crypto exchange tokens. And one of the ways which we use TVEV is helping us to determine possible buy opportunities for fundamentally strong crypto exchanges, which is through the method of using benchmarking. If you have missed the last video covering on using the benchmarking method for TVEV ratio, please do watch the last episode 13 for more information. In this episode, let's explore another method of using TVEV ratio to determine value zones, especially for identifying value buy opportunities for crypto exchange tokens. But before I move on further, I am currently doing a giveaway contest that comprises a copy of our book titled Crypto Assets for Passive Income, a video course of the same name, and a $20 worth of Bitcoin. The book contains key principles and strategies of how we identify, select, and grew our crypto portfolio from $29,000 in late 2018 to almost $1 million as of now. To participate in this giveaway, go to the link found in the description box down below and sign up. Without further ado, let's get started. If you have been keeping a watch on some of the crypto exchange tokens that are fundamentally good, it will even be better if you can identify undervalue and overvalue zones to help out in your buying or selling decision making. Let's take a look at an example. We will use BNB or Binance token as an example. So from the screen right here, you will see that we are on the TokenClan.io website, and I'll be using its TVEV ratio tool to analyze the Binance token. So I've logged in. Let's go to charts, exchanges, and this is the TVEV ratio data for all the current crypto exchange tokens that we have aggregated so far. And this is the chart, the TVEV ratio chart. So let's go to the individual token, which is BNB in our example. So this is the Binance token that we will be looking at. So this is its TVEV ratio chart. So from this TVEV ratio chart, we want to observe trends in the TVEV ratio chart and compare it to its price chart. If we do so, we will need to spot some patterns that we need to look out for. And what we need to look out for in this case to identify undervalue zones is to look for any strong pullbacks to its parity level, which is the value 1. So in this case, I'll do a screenshot of this chart and show you, which I have annotated on the chart itself. Let me show you. So this is the TVEV ratio chart, the same exact TVEV ratio chart that I screenshot from the TokenClan.io website. So this is for BNB. So as you can see, I have drawn a line here, which is the parity level, which is 1. TVEV ratio equals to 1. So I will be identifying any trend whereby the TVEV ratio goes to 1 or below 1. So as you can see throughout history from 2018 right up to, in this case, it's 2020, you can see that I've highlighted in 4 scenarios or cases which there is an extreme dip of TVEV ratio into the parity level, which is what I call as the undervalue zone. So what this means in simplistic analysis is that when you see a drop of the TVEV ratio to the undervalue zone, it is a great opportunity to buy and accumulate more crypto assets, and in this case is BNB. What this means is that you are not just basing on low price alone to determine your buying decision, but actually paying lesser in amount for $1 of transaction handled by the crypto exchange. This is great, especially if you're a strong believer of a crypto exchange token and long-term hodler who is looking to accumulate great crypto assets of undervalued price along the way. Why accumulating crypto exchange tokens based on TVEV ratio is way better than just basing your buying decisions on price alone. Most people might buy based on price alone, and they will base on their gut feel that the price is low enough when actually the price can still go lower. It is like trying to catch a falling knife. So let me go back to the TVEV ratio formula. As you can see from this TVEV ratio formula, and you look closely at how this TVEV ratio is calculated, you will see an increase in TVEV ratio is affected by mainly two components, assuming that the token supply is constant or is already being fixed. So an increase in token price and or a decrease in exchange volume in the past 24-hour period will result in a TVEV ratio increase. So I hope you can understand what I'm trying to say here. So an increase in price and or a decrease in the volume, once calculated, it will result in an increase in the TVEV ratio. So let's assume that initially there was a shift in the value of the crypto exchange business. Maybe it could be due to other competitors coming into the industry or a decrease in the crypto exchange trading activity by the traders. This will result a decrease in exchange volume while token price remains stable. This results in a TVEV ratio value rising initially, as investors of the crypto exchange token might not notice the decrease in trading activity or transactional volume for the crypto exchange. Only when they start to notice the data reports of the exchange volume will they only start to react to it by building up selling pressure, resulting in the token price to fall, which in turn causes the TVEV ratio to fall as well. So if you can see in this part of the formula or in this graphic that I'm showing you, if the magnitude of the decrease in token price, which is larger than the exchange volume, the TVEV ratio value will fall in larger magnitude and faster as well. Let me show you an example of what I mean by this. Let's go to the example of BNB again. So you can see this is the screenshot of the price for BNB during March 2020. So you can see indicated by the arrow here during this period, there is a sharp decline in BNB's price. And if we go to its exchange volume during the same period, you will see there is a rise in its exchange volume for Binance. So taking into these two charts account, you will notice that it coincides with the TVEV ratio dropping to the value zone identified earlier based on past historical data and patterns. This part is where it happened. So this is March of 2020. You can see that the TVEV ratio dipping below the value 1 or the parity level for TVEV going below 1, which is happened through here. This is the price and an increase in the exchange volume. So this is what happened during that time. So this is whereby what I say is a value zone or undervalue zone, where it's an opportunity for you to get into BNB. So normally when we see price decreasing, it's normally caused by market sentiment and uncertainty, especially during this period, which is the COVID period, while there is an increase in exchange volume during the same period. Despite being a bad period, there is an increase in exchange volume, meaning that there is actually a healthy revenue income for the exchange. This is something that we want fundamentally the exchange to be, to consistently make money, and there is a growth potential to it too. Using the TVEV ratio empowers you to have an extra edge when you are planning to accumulate more crypto assets and allows you to identify great opportunities of value buy when fundamentally the crypto exchange is raking in healthy profits. Despite the gloomy global economy outlook, as great a tool as I might have pointed out TVEV ratio to be, it has its cons as well. So there is no perfect ratio or valuation model. The important thing here is actually to be aware of how the ratio is calculated, what affects it, and using your trader instinct to read between the figures on likely reasons that leads to its fluctuation in value. So whatever you do, you have to first do your research on anything that is being shared in this video, and especially the crypto exchange tokens that interest you. After which, you can use the TokenClan's or TokenClan.io TVEV ratio tool to perform your in-depth analysis based on data. So this is the TokenClan.io website. The one thing that I want to share with you is that there are 3 levels of access to TokenClan's data. Let me go to membership here. So this is the plan as of right now. There are 3 levels. So the first level is the public version, which you only have a limited access to its data, historical data. So in this case, it's only a 10-day price history. And if you sign up as a free member, just by signing up as a free member, no credit cards, no nothing involved, just signing up, you will have access to the last 30 days of price history of the TVEV ratio. And if you are comfortable and wanting to use this TVEV ratio as an important tool in accumulating crypto exchange tokens, you can consider the pro version, where you have the full access of the historical data which has been aggregated from 2018 onwards. So that is close to about 4 years of data. I will strongly encourage you to sign up for a free account or free member and increase your access level to 30 days so that you can assess for yourself the usefulness of this TVEV ratio data in building your own crypto exchange token portfolio. And also, for more information regarding this TokenClan data engine, the TVEV ratio, you can visit our website tokenclan.io or get a copy of our book Crypto Assets for Passive Income, or even read our in-depth article on TVEV ratio, which is this article written by the author of the book, Warren. His article is Valuing Crypto Exchange Tokens with TVEV Ratio, Everything You Need to Know. So this is a very in-depth article that you can read and understand about TVEV ratio and how to use it. All these links will be found in the description box down below. If you wish to participate in our giveaway, which we are giving away a copy of our book, video course, and $20 worth of Bitcoin, the sign up link is also down below as well. In my next video, I will share with you why this is the right time to look at cryptocurrency and the next action you should be taking if you are still on the fence on investing in cryptocurrency, and how you can profit both actively and passively. With that, I'll see you in the next video.